friends, this is Tina's Ink, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nova Scotia, Canada, and every month I have a fun all-occasion card class the third Tuesday of every month here at my local community center. And at this month's class I had some new stampers, very exciting to see them discover stamping for the first time and of course fall in love. And so I thought I would demonstrate some of the cards we made at this month's class. So this card is simple, it's a quick card, but super pretty. So the card base is Melon Mambo, and when folded it measures 5.5 by 4.25. I have a piece of powder pink. This measures 4 inches by 5.25 inches. And then I have a piece of Whisper White. This measures 3 3/4 by 5. I have a little strip of Tranquil Tide. This is 1/2 inch by, let me see, 1/2 inch by 5. And then our Garden Impressions Designer Series paper, and I am almost completely out of this pack of paper because I've been using it so much. So this measures 5 by 2. So this is such a fun, simple card to put together. Great when you need a card in a hurry or if you need to mass produce a bunch of cards. So all I'm going to do is take my adhesive, put that onto my card base. Then I'm going to take my gorgeous Garden Impressions Designer Series paper strip, and I'm just going to glue this right onto the bottom of my Whisper White. Just like that. That goes on the front. Don't you just love quick card layout sometimes? And when I'm putting together my card designs, all I'm doing is I'm pulling colors out of the Designer Series paper, and there's a lot of colors in this pack. Okay. Now for the sentiment on this card, I am using a really great little set. This is from the Notes of Kindness kit, wonderful kit, and I love the stamps in this kit. It's a new kit. And I'm going to grab the thanks, put that on my block, some Tranquil Tide, and I'm going to stamp up, oh, that doesn't look like it's fully inked, there we go, stamp it up near the top. Beautiful. Now I have a piece of scrap Whisper White cardstock, and I'm using the Love What You Do stamp set, and I'm using the I'm Lucky to Have a Friend Like You stamp. Taking my Melon Mambo. Put that down. Now that that's stamped, I want to punch it out with my Everyday Label Punch. Put a couple dimensionals behind it. And that is going right on there. And I'm just lining up these little curvy bits with the strip of Tranquil Tide. Now I'm taking my daisy punch and punching out 2 daisies. Then 2 more daisies from, oops, I actually only need 1 daisy. And 1 daisy from the powder pink. And I'm using my little, I think this is my 3/4 inch circle punch. I'll have to double check that one. I can't even remember what size this is, but it's the tiny one. And that is with the Daffodil Delight. So all I'm going to do to put this together is put some adhesive and stack these on top of each other. Dimensional. Now all I'm going to do is take my petals and just gently bend them, just to give them a little bit of a 3D dimension and look. And that goes on right like that. Okay, I'm taking a little bit of my Tombow glue and I'm just adding some glue in the center of the flower for some dazzling diamonds. Those who know me know how much I love my dazzling diamond glitter. The best glitter in the world. Look at that. Can you see that on the camera? It's really, really pretty. Really, really sparkly. I'm just going to add a couple of linen thread bows. So I'm going to put a glue dot right there. You could add just one, but I actually have an extra one right here, so I'm going to add two because it's here. Then the last thing I'm going to do is pick up a pearl and put that right on the center of the bow. This is just a piece of computer paper that I'm putting in the center, and it measures 5 1/4 by 4. And look, there's my card. So fast. The girls love this at the class, and I'm going to show you one that I made earlier this week. So the difference, of course, is the sentiment, which is from the waterfront stamp set, and I did blues. So this is Pacific Point, and I think it's Soft Sky that's in the colors of the designer series paper. So it looks really pretty in the blue. So I just loved this layout and I just wanted to share it with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes I think it's really fun to have a easy layout for the times that we need to make some quick cards. So thanks for watching. Happy stamping.